Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will be pursuing the MCQs of jurisprudence. And this is the fifth video in the series. If you want to watch other videos also, please find a link in the description section and also please subscribe to us. Now let's get started from question number 101. Question number 101 is also about the match the following. Here we have to match the list 1 and list 2. List 1 talks about the jurist and the list 2 talks about the country. Here Montesquieu is related to America. 𝐼RING is related to France. 𝐒RILIC is related to Germany. And Roscoe Pond is related to Austria-Hungary. So by going through these matches, the correct answer here will be option D. Question number 102. Which one of the following is correctly matched, and answer with the aid of the quotes given below? Here option list 1. In list 1, the option A is the task of law is social engineering. This has been said by Roscoe Pond. The law of a community is to be found in social facts. This is said by Ehrlich. And scientific positivism is talked about Auguste Comte. And the theory of social solidarity is given by Duguid. So by going through these matches, the correct option here will be option B. Another question, that is question number 103, is also about matching the list 1 and list 2. So let's get started. Option A, Fuller. Fuller talks about the morality of the law. Whereas Friedman Justice talks about the law in a changing society. And Stone talked about the human law and human. And Mine talk about the ancient law. So by going through these matches, correct answer here is option B. Now let us proceed to question number 104. In which of the following the idea of natural law first appeared? Options are French Revolution, option B American War of Independence, option C Roman law, and option D Greek thinking. Here correct answer is option D, that is Greek thinking. The idea of natural law first appeared in Greek thinking. Question number 105. The basis of natural law was laid by option A Heraclitus, option B Aristotle, option C Austin, and option D Hobbes. Here in question number 105, correct answer is option A, that is Heraclitus. Question number 106. Which one of the following schools gave birth to the concept of human rights? Options are historical school, natural law school, realist school, sociological school. Here correct answer is option B, natural law school. Natural law school gave birth to the concept of human right. Question number 107. Austin is said to be the exponent of which school of the following? Option A, historical school, option B, analytical school, option C, realist school, and option D, sociological school. Here correct answer is option B, that is analytical school. Question number 108. Which one of the following schools supports the view that a custom becomes law when it receives the stamp of judicial recognition by courts? Here options are analytical school, option B natural law school, option C historical school, and option D sociological school. Correct answer is option A, that is analytical school. Question number 109. The movement of progressive societies has hitherto been a movement from status to contract. It is said by Henry Maine, Hegel, Savigny, and Cicero. In question number 101, correct answer is option A, that is Henry Maine. Question number 110. The most distinctive feature of some societies is that they develop the law through fiction, equity, and legislation. This statement relates to primitive societies, static societies, progressive societies, dynamic societies. Here in question number 110, the correct answer is option C, that is the progressive societies. In progressive societies, the most distinctive feature of some societies is that they develop the law through fiction, equity, and legislation. Question number 111. Which of the following are correct combination? Here options are Bentham and natural law, Austin and positivism, Roscoe Pond and sociological school of jurisprudence, Henry Maine and philosophical school of jurisprudence. And the options given are option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, and option C 3 and 4, and option D 1, 2 and 3. Here in question number 111, the correct answer is option B, that is 2 and 3 only. That is Austin and positivism, whereas Roscoe Pond and sociological school of jurisprudence are the correct combinations. Question number 112. The principal jurist of the philosophical school was Option A, Herbert Spencer. Option B, Sir Henry Mine. Option C, Max Weber. And option D, Hegel. In question number 112, correct answer is option D, that is Hegel. Question number 113. Who has made a distinction between law properly so called and law improperly so called? Option A, Jeremy Bentham. Option B, G.W. Payton. Option C, John Austin. And option D, Oliver Wendell Holmes. In question number 113, correct answer is option C, that is John Austin. Question number 114. Legal order is a pyramid of norms is the statement of option A, Austin, option B, Kelson, option C, Salmon, and option D, Fuller. Here correct answer is option B, that is Carlson. Carlson talks about the Grund norm, and this statement is related to that only. Legal order is a pyramid of norms. Question number 115. Who amongst the following is said to be the propounder of the theory of utility, that is greatest good of greatest number? Here correct answer is option D, that is Bentham. Question number 116. Which one of the following doctrines is not associated with natural law thinking? Option A, doctrine of substituted security. Option B, doctrine of due process. And option C, doctrine of bias. And option D, doctrine of reasonableness. Question number 116, correct answer is option A, that is doctrine of substituted security. Question number 117. Eugen Elric is a well-known jurist of sociological school of jurisprudence. Which one of the following statements may not be attributed to the theory propounded by him? Option A, law is derived from social facts. Option B, law depends on social compulsion. Option C, there is a living law underlying the formal rule of the legal system. And option D, state law has significant influence on shaping and development of living law. In question number 117, correct answer is option D. Option D here has been asked is not attributed to the theory propounded by him, whereas the other options A, B, and C are related to the Eugen Elric, a well-known jurist of sociological school of jurisprudence. Now let us proceed to question number 118. Which one of the following schools of jurisprudence laid emphasis on the question, how did law come to be? Option A, analytical. Option B, sociological. Option C, historical. And option D, philosophical. Here correct answer is option C, that is historical. Historical school of jurisprudence laid emphasis on the question, how did law come to be? Now let us proceed to question number 119. Roscoe Pound propounded the theory of social engineering, which means greatest happiness to greatest number of people, balancing of competing interests in the societies, changes in the concepts and functions of the state. And option D, the law has its source in the general consciousness. Here in question number 119, correct answer is option B, that is balancing of competing interests in societies. Question number 120. Which one of the following concepts does not belongs to sociological school of jurisprudence? Option A, public interest. Option B, social interest. Option C, command. And option C, jural postulate. Here in question number 120, correct answer is option C, that is command. Question number 121. Arrange the following stages of development of law according to Mayne. Option A, customary law. Option B, law made by the ruler under divine inspiration. Option C, codification. And option 4, knowledge of law in the hands of priests. Select the correct answer in order of the development using the quotes given below. In question number 121, correct answer is option B, that is 2143. That is law made by the ruler under the divine inspiration is the first statement, then customary law, then knowledge of law in the hands of priest, and then codification. So by going through these chronological order, correct answer here is in question number 121 is option B. Question number 122. There is a school of jurisprudence which attempts to identify purpose of law and the measures and manners in which they are fulfilled. What is this approach known as? Option A, realist school. Option B, sociological school. Option C, analytical school. And option D, philosophical school. Here correct answer is option D, that is philosophical school. Question number 123. Consider the following statements with reference to the philosophical school of jurisprudence. There is interrelationship between law and morality. The main exponent of this school of jurisprudence was Hugo Grotius, Immanuel Kant, and Schelling. And option C, the law has nothing to do with ethics. Which of the given statements are correct? Here in question number 123, correct answer is option B, that is first and second. The statement first and second are correct, that is there is interrelationship between law and morality. The main exponent of this school of jurisprudence were Hugo Grotius, Immanuel Kant, and Schelling. Now let us proceed to question number 124. According to the theory of social utilitarianism as propounded by Eyring, Option A, greatest number of people should get greatest pleasure. The essential body of legal rules is always based upon the social facts of law. A balance is to be struck between the competing interests in society. Law is a means to social ends. Here correct answer is option D, that is law is a means to social ends, is the theory of social utilitarianism propounded by Əhring. Question number 125. Which one of the following statement is correct? Grundnorm is the basis hypothesis of option A, H. Kelsen, option B, Austin, option C, Hart, and option D, H. Gray. Here correct answer is option A, that is Kelsen. Kelsen talks about the hypothesis of Grundnorm. Now, we will do the remaining questions in another video. By the time we will be ending this video over here, but there is a request from my side. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.